Part 2 here.
Yeah, part 2.
Sam. And
come on, Sam. You just missed the ball.
And that's Patrick.
Yeah, I like yelling.
Okay.
I obviously know my name. My YouTube account is my YouTube account is my name, Sam. Patrick McConaughey.
Okay.
Whoa. Dang. Crack. Crack, crack. Crud, crud, crud. Oh, yes. Do you not remember? Oh. Woo! Come on. I have no chance. No, that doesn't count. One of my goals didn't count, so it's only fair.
Yeah, because I was like putting balls out. You were talking to the camera.
That sounds weird, Sam.
Come on.
Still, no, it's only fair. It's only fair.
Tell me, I mean, Patrick,
It's only fair.
It doesn't mean if a goal that you
Sam,
shoot,
I need to clear it out.
clear what out?
The ball.
No, you had
no,
it. I can poke
No,
it.
the balls.
I can poke it.
You're not a goalie.
You can do that.
I know.
While you're a player. When the goalie puts it back up on his stick, you can poke it.
Yeah, it's not real hockey though. It's me hockey. Dang. How you work? Look at it! Knew it. Stop! I'm gonna end this video. You keep doing that. I hate that. Son. Burn me up.
We used to play and go like,
We're gonna. Dang it. Sometimes it's coming. Oh, 2-0.
you're going down.
Oh, for the win. No, outside.
I thought.
How many subscribers do you have? 8 or 7?
I don't know.
I think you have 8. On YouTube, guys, search Bill Hockey 00. Except you don't have to because in my videos, I put it in the link in the description. So you don't have to. If you just press on that, the one that says Bill Hockey 00, not 2435 Terry, goes right to his channel. And then Sam makes awesome videos. Except he hasn't uploaded one in 7 months.
My brother's only want to make one, alright?
I upload videos every day. I only have like 3 friends.
Ew. I don't know if it's a finale or not.
Nothing but the gentleman. Whoa. Nothing but the gentleman. Whoa!
That almost went in.
It's covered.
I know, like, it hit, and then it hit my stick.
I
and
know.
it hit your stick.
I didn't even try. Into Ava's crate. windows closed. You won't remember.
Dang!
You won't remember because we're going timber.
Dang.
Yummy. Come on, son.
What's
Right here.
yes.
Hey, how'd the orange ball get here? Oh, dang. That's what. Oh! Did that go in?
Yeah.
How much is that? 3?
Top corner.
Top shelf. Wait. Actually, it was top one. I know.
Where Mom keeps this peanut butter.
You see the ball? I have the orange one in my hands. If you want.
I can't find it. He's there.
I know what I'm putting on my Christmas list.
What?
More knee hockey balls. I didn't want to say that. That sounds weird.
More balls.
More knee hockey spheres.
We should have. I want to get some of my balls too.
More knee hockey spheres. How come Jack changed your account name to Jack G?
Because he's an idiot.
It's stupid because there's so many other Jack G's and it's hard to find your channel. And if you just did Bill Hockey 00, yours just would have popped up right away.
Well,
No, post.
it hit right here.
Fine. That started at me too.
Four nothing.
You
That's it.
you know, when the time is staring, be standing next to me. You could be my love. Oh. Oh.
Sam. Stop.
Oh! Oh! Clears it! And it's back in there. Oprah does not sing opera.
Why do you have that shit, sir?
Old Halloween costumes, probably.
Your sister's?
Yeah. How many goals do you have? 4?
I like 4, but I'm gonna have 5 right now.
Nope. Not in my house. Is that paying over here? Sorry, it's fun.
I don't do it.
What if it accidentally hit the iPad?
That could happen.
I know. Sam, you're not losing that one again.
Well, I don't know where to shove it. Oh, here it is.
Yeah. Yo, I was gonna show that. Oh, I will be the host. Oh, look at how close that is.
Alright, fine.
Whoa. That went behind the camera, I think.
The veil's putting it on.
check it.
Check.
How long, Thumb?
10 minutes.
It might say this video is too long. Because that's what it did to me. Here, just score in a wide open net because I want to get this over with.
Okay.
No, with the orange.
I know one. What's some over there?
Okay, just shoot.